Today I am going to review about the best PC cases on the market. Number 1. The NZXTH5 Elite Compact ATX Mid is a high-performance computer case that offers various features to enhance the gaming experience. One of the most prominent features is the built-in RGB lighting, which comes with two pre-installed 140mm RGB fans and an RGB controller that allows for customizable lighting. The tempered glass panels allow for a full view of the interior, displaying the RGB lighting and components in all their glory. The dedicated GPU fan, angled at 120mm, draws air from below the case to provide direct cooling for power-hungry graphics cards, making it ideal for high-performance gaming rigs. Additionally, the case has spacious cooling support with up to 280mm radiator support in the front, 240mm up top, and 120mm in the rear. The case fits up to 6 fans, including the dedicated GPU fan, ensuring efficient cooling for all components. Number 2. The Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass is a high-quality computer case that offers excellent cable management, airflow, and build quality. The case comes with the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System, which simplifies and speeds up the process of routing major cables through a single channel. The case also provides a roomy 25mm space behind the motherboard for all of your cables, ensuring that the interior looks clean and organized. The case includes two Corsair 120mm air guide fans, which use anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. The case supports motherboards of various sizes, including Mini-ITX, Micro-ATX, ATX, and eATX form factors. The spacious interior can accommodate up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators, including a 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm radiator in the roof. This provides excellent cooling for high-performance gaming rigs. Number 3. The Corsair iQ4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case is a premium computer case that offers a range of features to enhance the gaming experience. One of the most notable features is the stylish tempered glass side and front panels, which allow for the components and RGB lighting to be displayed in all their glory. The panels are built with dedicated front ventilation channels to ensure ample airflow for optimal cooling. The case includes the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System, which simplifies the process of routing major cables through a single channel. The system provides a roomy 25mm space behind the motherboard for all of the cables, ensuring that the interior of the case looks clean and professional. The Corsair iQ4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case comes with 3 Corsair 120mm air guide RGB fans, which utilize anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs for customizable lighting. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking, and wait for the next video.